Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about careers in cybersecurity. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Let's talk about engineering and architecture. As a security engineer, you'll use your knowledge of threats and vulnerabilities to build and implement defense systems against a range of security concerns. You may advance to become a security architect responsible for your organization's entire security infrastructure. Security engineering and architecture could be a good fit if you enjoy tinkering with technology and like to take a big picture approach to cybersecurity. So look into that. Number two, here's a big one because we know that hacks happen and breaches happen. Number two, incident response. And despite a company's best security efforts, security incidents still happen. The field of incident response involves the next steps after a security incident. As an incident responder, you'll monitor your company's network and work to fix vulnerabilities and minimize loss when breaches occur. Another area of incident response involves digital forensics and cybercrime. Digital forensics investigators work with law enforcement to retrieve data from digital devices and investigate cyber crimes. Number three, management and administration. Okay. As you gain experience in cybersecurity, you may choose to advance toward a leadership position within your organization. And cybersecurity managers oversee an organization's network and computer security systems. In this role, you might manage security teams, coordinate between teams, and ensure security compliance. Typically, the highest security role in an organization is that of Chief Information Security Officer, also known as the CISO, CISO. Working in security at the executive level often means managing operations, policies, and budgets across the company's security infrastructure. Number four, we have consulting, and consulting is very broad, but there are many sought after roles in cybersecurity consulting from a consulting perspective. Now, companies hire security consultants to test their computer and network systems for any vulnerabilities or security risks. Now, in this role, you get a chance to practice cybersecurity offense and defense by testing systems for vulnerabilities and making recommendations on how to strengthen those systems. Number five, testing and hacking. And this is the realm of penetration testing and stuff like that. So this field of cybersecurity goes by many names: offensive security, red team, white hat hacking, and ethical hacking among them. If you work in offensive security, you'll take a proactive approach to cybersecurity. You'll do this by playing the part of the intruder, trying to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. So those are some things that I think is worth talking about. They're on the rise in 2024 and above because, again, we do know that hackers are getting smarter. We have AI. We have all kinds of new devices. We have all new kinds of software. So you may want to be the kind of person that, hey, maybe I'm not on defense, maybe I'm on offense. I'm looking at news. I'm looking at how companies got breached. I'm looking at CVEs. I'm looking at what's going on, and I'm seeing what a hacker done in another company. I'm gonna test it out in my company that I work for and give warning signs of any vulnerabilities I spot. So, have fun, seek mentorship, seek guidance from those who have been in the industry and are respected in the industry. So please let me know how you feel about my selections in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.